Okay, dear students, once again, welcome back. Okay, to my class here. Here I am discussing another set on the concept of trigonometric MC question for you for unit test. I hope it may be helpful for you. Okay, understand? Let me start my first question here. And here is an interesting question I am going to discuss for you. Here the question is that the value of tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree up to tan 89 degrees. Okay, is option A 2, option B 1, option C 0 and option D 1 by 2. Understand here? You see now, it is given tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree up to up to how much? Tan 89 degree. Understand or not? Is it clear? Okay. So let us rewrite this sentence. Here tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree up to tan 89 degree. How many times? 1, 2, 3 up to 89 times tan has been multiplied. Yes or no? So now you see tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree up to tan 45 degree, up to tan 44 degree you write 44 degree, then you write into tan 40 what 45 degree. Okay, then you write tan 46 degree into tan 47 degree into tan 48 degree up to tan 89 degree. Can you do? Can you write? You see, tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree up to tan 44 degree. How many times here? 44 times. And you see again, after 44 times, this is tan 45 degree. Okay, one more times. Again, after tan 45 degree, tan 46 degree into tan 47 degree up to tan 89 degree. It's how many times? It is also 44 times. You see, this is also 44 times, and here you see tan 46 to tan 89 degree also 44 times. Yes or no? Now you modify this. You see now, okay, and you can write tan 1 degree, suppose you keep like this, into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree into up to tan 44 degree into tan how much? 45 degree. After this tan 46 degree can return tan 90 minus 44 degree. Can write or not? Similarly, next term tan 2 degree, tan 47 degree will return what? Tan 90 minus what? 43 degree. Understand? Into tan 90 minus 42 degree. Similarly, last term tan 89 degree can return tan 90 minus 1 degree. 90 minus 1 degree. Understand or not? Okay. So let's tan 1 degree, right? You see here tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree up to tan 44 degree into tan 45 degree. You see here tan 90 minus 44. 90 minus 44 can return cot 44. Cot 44 degree. Tan 90 minus 43, it will be cot 43 degree. Yes or no? Because you know tan 90 minus theta what? Cot theta. Similarly, tan 90 minus 42, it will be how much? Cot 42 degree. Cot 42 degree. Similarly, up to this. Okay. And tan 90 minus 1 degree, it will be what? Cot 1 degree. Yes or no? Cot 1 degree. Yes or no? Okay. And you see this is 44 times and also this is 44 times. Same number of times. Now you rearrange. Okay, you can write tan 1 degree. In place of tan 1 degree can be written cot 1 degree. Just you rearrange. You see here tan 1 degree and here cot 1 degree. Okay, we can rearrange. Understand? Into. Similarly, we can write tan 2 degree into tan how much? Into cot 2 degree into cot 2 degree. Okay, understand? Similarly, tan 3 degree into cot 3 degree. Similar portion we can continue tan 44 degree. Tan how much? 44 degree into cot 44 degree and finally into cot into tan. This is okay, tan 45 degree. Is it clear all of you now? You see tan 1 degree, here cot 1 degree. Can we rearrange yourself? Can you make a group? Tan 2 degree and here what? The cot 1 degree, what is the previous? It will be cot 2 degree. Okay. Similar manner tan 3 degree, it will be cot 3 degree. Similarly, last cot tan 44 will be into cot 44. Then this tan 45 degree, you write down here. So you know tan theta into cot theta. What is the value of tan theta into cot theta? Tan theta into cot theta. Yes or no? You know value what? The value is 1. All of you know tan theta and cot theta is equal to 1. So now, so this tan 1 degree into cot 1 degree value will be 1. Similarly, tan 2 degree in cot 2 degree, what is the value? It will be 1. And tan 3 degree into cot 3 degree also will be value 1. Similar process. And last you will see the tan 44 degree into cot 44 degree is 1. Okay. And tan 45 degree is what? Also 1. So the whole value will be 1. Understand? Hence, 1 is the required value here. Is it clear all of you? So, which is the correct option here? So, B is the correct option. Okay. So, option is B. Is it clear? Understand? Okay. Okay, my next question is that if cos theta minus sin theta whole divided by cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3 and theta is an acute angle, then value of theta is option A 15 degree, option B 45 degree, option C 60 degree and option D 30 degree. Okay, let's see. Okay, so what is given? According to the condition, you can write the cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3. Understand or not? Okay. Here we have to find out the value of theta where theta is an acute angle. Is it clear? Understand? Yes? So here what you have to do? How to do here? Here we can solve it by using the property of the proportion. One of the property of the proportion we know. Yes or no? What do you know? If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B divided by A minus B is equal to C plus D divided by C minus D. If A by B is equal to C by D, it means A, B, C, D are proportion, then A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. It is called what? Or we know componendo componendo and dividendo. Okay, this concept we can useful here. Understand? Okay. Now similar manner use it. Is it clear? Okay. So use the concept of componendo and dividendo formula. Use it. So you can write similar manner. You can rewrite it cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta, not plus sin theta, minus sin theta, plus cos theta plus sin theta. Yes or no? Whole divided by cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta minus sin theta. Similar manner, 1 minus root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 whole divided by 1 minus root 3 minus 1 plus root 3. So here we use the property of the proportion, componendo and dividendo rule. Okay, one of the property you know. Is it clear? Understand? So now let's see, minus sin theta plus sin theta can we cancel? So cos theta plus cos theta is 2 cos theta. Similarly, cos theta minus sin theta. If we remove the bracket, what will happen? You see, it will be minus cos theta and plus sin theta. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So here cos theta minus sin theta whole into cos theta plus sin theta. Let's remove the bracket first. Cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta minus sin theta. Yeah? Okay, is equal to 1 minus root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3 minus 1 minus root 3. After remove the bracket, let's bracket is removed. Okay. After that you see 2 cos theta divided by, look at here. You see now cos theta and minus cos theta will be cancelled. Here minus sin theta minus sin theta. It will be minus 2 sin theta. Similarly, plus root 3 minus root 3 will be cancelled. And plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. Here 1 plus 1, 2 divided by minus root 3 minus root 3. It will be minus 2 root 3. Okay. So here you see 2 will be cancelled, and also here 2 will be cancelled, and minus sign will be also cancelled. So it will be cos theta by sin theta. So cos theta by sin theta will be what? Cot theta is equal to 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. Is it clear? Understand? Is it clear? So that implies cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3 means what? Cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3. It is, we know, cot 60 degree. Is or no? So cot will be cancelled. So theta is equal to 60 degree. Understand? So theta is equal to 60 degree. Here, which option? Which is the correct option? Here option C is the correct option. Hence, we got option C is the correct option. Is it clear? Okay. Understand? Okay. My next question is that the value of cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into cos 3 degree up to cos 180 degree is option A 0, option B 1, option C minus 1, and option D none. Okay. Understand? Let's see. Cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into cos 3 degree into cos 4 degree up to dot cos 180 degree. What is the value? You have to find out. Okay. Understand? And you see cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree into cos 3 degree. Understand what to do? Yes, cos 4 degree, up to we can continue cos 90 degree, cos 89 degree into cos 90 degree into cos 91 degree, up to we can continue cos 180 degree. Can you write or not? Can you write or not? Understand or not? And you know cos 90 degree is 0. So you see one of the factor is called cos 90 degree. What's value is 0? Yes or no? Yes or no? So you can write cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree. Similar manner you can continue up to cos 89 degree into, what is the value of cos 90 degree is 0, into cos 91 degree up to dot is up to last you can write cos 180 degree. Understand? Since one of the factor 0, so whole value will be 0. Yes or no? Hence the required value is 0. Hence which is the correct option here? Which is the correct option? Yes, which is the correct option? So A is the correct option. Hence option A. Option A is the correct option. Understand? Okay. Okay, my next question, it is that if x tan 45 degree into cos 60 degree is equal to sin 60 degree into cos 60 degree, then the value of x is option A 1 upon root 2, option B 1 by 2, option C root 3, option D 1. Okay, understand? Is it clear? So you have to find out the value of x. Okay, and students, all of you know the trigonometric ratio of 45 degree, 60 degree of the acute angles. All of you know. So here you have to use the trigonometric ratio. Okay, let's see here written x tan 45 degree into cos 60 degree is equal to sin 60 degree into cos 60 degree. Yes or no? Okay. So have you remembered the trigonometric ratio of 45 degree, 60 degree? Yes? Do you know? Okay. So let us use the value of tan 45 degree. So x into tan 45 degree. Okay. Yes, you say. What is the value of tan 45 degree? Yes. Yes. Tan 48 degree is what? 1. Yes. Into, what is the value of cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree what? Yes, 1 by 2. Understand? And I have already explained a short trick how to remember a trigonometric ratio, a separate class. You can see once again. That was a very interesting class. Okay, how to remember the trigonometric ratio of different angles. Already a class is done for you. You can go through. Again, sin 60 degree what? Sin 60 degree is root 3 upon 2, and cos 60 degree is 1 upon root 3. Yes or no? Understand? So very simple. X is equal to, you can cancel root 3 will cancel. Here root 3 will can cancel. So x is equal to what? 1. X is equal to 1 is the correct option. Okay? Understand? So here the option is D is the correct option. Hence option is D. Very simple question. Okay. And this type of question also you can face in the examination. What you have to remember the trigonometric ratio. That's most important. That is the most important. Is it clear? Understand? Okay, let us try this type of question. Here, dear students, here I am discussing another simple question for you. Here the value of tan 10 degree into tan 50 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree is. What is the value of tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree? Okay. And here the option A is 0, option B is 1, option C is -1, option D is none of the above. Okay, understand? And all of you know the trigonometric ratio of 90 degree minus theta. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, and all of you know tan 90 degree minus theta. What is that? Cot theta. Okay, and using this concept here you have to find out the value. Okay, so now you see tan 10 degree into tan 15 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree. Understand? Okay, understand or not? So this is the value given. You have to find out the required value. Okay, and here you can write the tan 10 degree. You can write 90 minus 80. Can write or not? And here tan 15 degree. You see 10 degree can written 90 minus 8 and 75 can written 15 degree can written 15 degree can written what 90 minus 75. Yes or no? So in place of you see tan 15, in place of 15 we can write 90 minus 75 degree. Understand? Here tan 75, write down tan 75, no change, into tan 80 degree. Understand? In place of 10 degree we wrote 90 minus 8 degree, and in place of 15 degree we wrote 90 minus 75 degree. So according to the formula tan 90 minus theta, okay, tan 90 minus theta, what is the formula? Cot theta. So here you write cot 80 degree into cot 75 degree into tan 75 degree into tan 80 degree. Understand? Now you see cot 80 degree is there into tan 80 degree. Let us rearrange. Tan 80 degree. Okay, cot 80 degree into tan 80 degree. Okay, into cot 75 degree into tan 75 degree. Yes or no? And you know cot theta into tan theta value, cot theta into tan theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of 1. So cot theta into tan theta value is 1. So here value is 1. Here value is 1. Cot 80 degree into tan 80 degree value is 1. And cot 75 degree into tan 70 degree is 1. So the required value is 1. Here who is the correct option? Here B is the correct option. Hence option B. Option B is the correct option. Okay, understood? Okay, thank you. Let's follow it. Okay. Okay, my next question is that if theta is an acute angle and sin theta is equal to cos theta, okay, then the value of 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1 is option A 3 upon 2, option B 1 upon 2, option C 1, and option D 2 upon 3, 2 by 3. Okay, understand? So theta is an acute angle, and sin theta, it is given that what is given? Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Understand? So that implies sin theta by cos theta divide both side by cos theta by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta is equal to cos theta will be cancelled, the value will be 1, and you know the value of 1 is tan what, 45 degree. So tan we can cancel, so theta is equal to how much, 45 degree. Okay, after that you can use the values of theta in the given expression. Okay, then you can write hence 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. Okay, here 2 into tan square theta, in place of theta we can write 45 degree. Okay, understand? And in sin square theta you have to write sin square 45 degree minus 1. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Okay, then here you write that is equal to 2 into tan square 45 degree. Tan square 45 degree. All of you know tan 45 degree. What is tan 45 degree? Yes, 1. So tan square 45 degree is also 1. Plus sin square sin 45 degree what? Yes. What is sin 45 degree? What is sin 45 degree? It is 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 2 whole square minus 1. So it will be 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Yes. So 2 is 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 is, or you can write also 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 by 2. It will be 3 upon 2 is the 3 upon 2. Okay. Hence, so is the correct option here? The answer is, the option is what? A is the correct option. Yes or no? Here A is the correct option. So option is 3/2. Okay.